Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another Scout Indian Scout. I mixed up the words. Project, series, YouTube extravaganza. I'll also be linking this down below for anybody that wants to try out a super budget LED that's really good. Today's gonna be a very short video. It is a headlight upgrade. This right here costs like 40, 50 bucks maybe on Amazon. Super duper cheap. I love how it has a little halo thing on it. I'm hoping that looks good. And this should probably be one of the quickest, easiest upgrades I do to the Scout. So I'll show you what it takes. All right, so here's all the tools you're gonna need. There's a lot. Phillips head screwdriver, and that's it. Okay, so if you can see, there's a little Phillips screw right here. I'm gonna take that off, just unscrew it right here. Very simply. I'm gonna pull this off like that. All right, so there's 3 wires total that are hooked up to here. We have whatever, I'm colorblind guys. I think this is red right here, connected to this black one. And then we have a black one connected to like a gray one with a stripe here, whatever that color is. I don't know what that color is. So unplug those like that. Also, I did buy my Scout used, and it looks like they might have upgraded the bulb in there. I don't know if that's a stock bulb that comes in there or not. Also, here's a quick few before and after shots. This is going to be before with the old bulb right here. You kind of get a wide shot. You see the bike from the side, and then you can see it from the front. And then this is with the brights on from the front, and then the brights on from the side, so you can kind of see what it looks like as far as brightness wise. And now here is the LED light, so you can kind of see what the results will be from this project if you do this to your Scout. So here's a big shot, wide shot from the side here, so you can see it. And let's get up close here. You can see it from a driver's perspective. And then we'll turn the brights on, and then we'll get another wide shot right here with the brights on. So yeah, guys, it's a super simple upgrade to do this, and the results are really good. But anyways, back to this. All right, so now these little clips need to come out. This clip, this clip, this clip, and then there's a clip down here somewhere as well. So we're just gonna use our screwdriver and kind of pry out those little clips. Okay, maybe we'll need a flathead. Maybe I lied. You might need a flathead screwdriver too. Hold on. Okay, here we go. We're literally just gonna pry these out and under like that, and that'll pop out like that. And then it should just kind of finagle out. There we go. There's one. Just like that. Just like that. Super quick, super simple, guys. Okay, I'm also going to spray this down with this VHT flame-proof ceramic coating. It's good for heat. Not like this is going to produce a lot of heat, but this stuff dries really quickly, and I don't want to sit and wait for an hour. So let's go spray this down real quick. And so now we take this plastic seal off, bottom down into here, like that. Let's get some of our clips. There we go. Yeah, nice and easy. Boom, we are in, we are on. Let's go plug this up. All right, so the new LED one comes with the power wire and then one like red wire coming off of it. So all we do is attach this into there. And then this red wire that is attached to this, I found out you have to plug into this striped wire, like that. If you plug that red wire into the other one, this halo won't light up. So you don't want that. All right, so now we screw this little puppy in right here, and we are good to go. This bezel looks fucking ugly. I get it, I know, but whatever. Better than chrome. I'll powder coat it later. Okay guys, so that was the headlight project. Super easy, really easy to install, not very hard at all. That was probably one of my shorter videos. And again, I will link this down below. It's an Amazon affiliate link. I do get a kickback if you buy from my link or whatever. It doesn't cost you any extra, but it gives me like 2 or 3 bucks maybe or something like that. I don't know. I can say 3 things about the light. It's brighter, it's wider, and it's wider. And what I mean by wider and wider, I mean wider is in lighter, like a bluer, it's a bluer light, temperature color wise, and then it's a wider beam, it's a lot wider. So it almost like encompasses the whole like road, whereas the stock one was a little bit more narrow of the beam. Now the only thing I noticed was that when I turn the high beams on this one, it really doesn't make much of a difference. It's just a slight bit more bright, like a long distance light, just slightly though. Whereas on the stock one, when you did your brights, it got dramatically brighter than the regular bulb was. But even the brights on the stock bulb aren't as bright as the regular ones on this. So it's kind of a no-brainer. Plus it looks really awesome going down the road. You have that little halo light. It's really cool. It's phenomenal looking. But yeah, guys, appreciate you spending a little bit of time with me. Stay tuned for more projects on this Indian Scout. If you have any recommendations, throw them in the comment down below. If you're a motorcycle company that makes parts for an Indian Scout, let me know. You can email me. It'll be down in the description. Maybe you could throw me a part. Maybe I'll try it out. And if I like it, I'll do a video review on it. But yeah, guys, again, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.